how to change your zip code on Cash App. So basically, if you want to change your zip code on Cash App, it is very simple to do so. Now normally a zip code is used for different purposes, but if you think that you need to update your zip code, you want to simply first of all open up Cash App and make sure to log into your account. Tap on the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen and you'll come to this account page where you have to simply go to this option that says personal. Now once you go to personal, you can scroll down to the address section and you'll be able to view your zip code with your full address. And if you need to update your zip code, you can do so by tapping on edit address and entering the correct information, and that therefore your zip code will be updated on Cash App. And this way you'll be able to update your zip code on Cash App or change it. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.